Hey guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm heading for a really fun event and this is my second event and I'm pretty excited about that. And I asked you guys over Instagram that shall I keep both the things together, like the event part and get ready part together, and a lot of you guys said yes, so I'll be doing both of them in one vlog. And I haven't really vlogged before, so I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but yeah, let's just do this. Okay, so my skin is all nice and prepped. I applied moisturizer and today I applied this primer from BECCA and I'm testing this one out. This is their velvet blurring primer and this has the interesting texture because the product comes in liquid form and once you apply it, it turns into like powdery consistency. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but yeah, I'm testing this product out and I'll updating you guys over my Instagram. So yeah, watch out for that. And next up, I'm using this concealer from Bareminerals and it's their Bare Skin Concealer. And this concealer is little dark for my skin tone, but I like to apply this and mix it with another concealer. So yeah, I'll be mixing today it with Fenty Beauty one, and yeah, I'm just applying it to my acne scars and I have a pretty big one today here. I don't know why it has to come and I have to go somewhere. And this is the one from Fenty and this one is in the shade 300 and this one was sample, so I just wanted to test this one out before I purchased the full size one. So I'm just taking a little bit and a little goes a long way. So yeah, I'm just applying it and blending it. And the Fenty concealer is really nice. I think it's my perfect match, so I would be definitely getting the full size one. Okay, so concealer is all nice and done. Moving on to foundation, I am using this Estee Lauder Double Wear and the Lancome one, and I'll be mixing these two. If you are close to my skin tone, you know the struggle. It's really hard to find the foundation which matches you well, so I really like to mix two foundations and yeah, it just works for me. The Lancome one is like little dark, but mixing it with another foundation, I really like to mix it up with Fenty as well sometimes, and it just works really great for my skin tone. So yeah, check that out. Next up, I'm gonna take this powder from Hourglass and this one is really great because this doesn't leave any kind of white overcast, so it's really nice if you are somebody close to my skin tone or darker or even lighter than me. So I'm not baking, I'm just applying it so that everything stays all nice and in place. And for the eyes, I'm not doing much. I'm just taking this bronzer from Bobbi Brown and I'm just applying this color onto my lids, just using it as a transition color to my lower lash line as well. Okay, so moving on, so I want to use this new palette from Tarte. This has very neutral shades and I absolutely love it, so I'll be using this. So I think I'm gonna do the shade right over here and I'll be applying with my fingers because I like it that way. So I'm just gonna apply it in the center. Now from the palette, I'm taking this shade right over here and applying it to the corners. And I'll be taking this shade right over here and applying it onto my center of the lids. Eyes are pretty much done, and for the blush, I'm using this new palette which I got from Cover FX, and this is how this one looks, and I think the shades are absolutely gorgeous because all shades are neutral and perfect for somebody close to my skin tone. So I'm just taking a big brush, and this palette is pigmented, so tapping. And I'll be also using this blush from MAC, and this one is in the shade Peachtwist. It's a really nice blush for people with skin tone close to mine. I'm just gonna apply a little bit, like just a little bit. This one is my go-to and I use it all the time, and I'll be using this palette from Pure Cosmetics, and I'll be using this shade over here a little bit. And for the lips, I'll be using this Huda Beauty lipstick, and this one is my favorite. This one is in the shade Vixen. And for highlighter, I'm using this shade from Pretty Vulgar, and this one is 126. So I'm not going heavy into highlighting, just highlighting a little bit, like very subtle. And this one looks so good on my skin. Ooh, I like it. Okay, now I'm all done, and I'm using this Urban Decay All Nighter. And this spray is the best. Like, this one keeps everything in place, and this one is my favorite. And for the lips, I used these two products, and this one is from Huda Beauty, as I told earlier, and I mixed a little bit of this one, so I just used this on the center of my lips. So yeah, this is how this looks like, and I absolutely love this. So yeah, I think makeup is all nice and done, and this is how this turned out, and I'm going to change my outfit and see you then. So guys, I'm here at the Chanel boutique, and let me show you guys around. So yeah guys, I am back from the event, and the event was so good. The store is beautiful, and I met a lot of new people. So that was exciting part, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. And if you did so, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And this was my first time vlogging, so I promise that I'm going to do better next time. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye. The Fenty one, oh my god. Stop. Okay, so I was saying that oh my god, what they are doing.